In this tutorial, we'll learn the easiest way to open and work with a drawing file step by step. To keep the process simple and clear, we'll focus only on the essential tools without unnecessary details or distractions. We'll also make a few simple adjustments to improve the workflow and make working on future projects easier. Just follow the same steps carefully to avoid common problems later on. Enjoy the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming lessons coming soon. Now we'll start by creating a new project and selecting a template that better fits our work. The project is now open, but before we begin drawing, we need to make a few important adjustments. First, we'll change the project units to meters. If you prefer using different units, that's completely fine. After that, we'll draw a few reference lines to define the center of the project and make the workflow more organized and easier to manage. You can hide these lines later if you no longer need them, just like we hid the elevation markers from the drawing area. Next, we'll move to one of the elevation views to adjust the floor names, number of levels, floor heights, and a few other settings before starting the actual drawing process. As you may notice, the last floor we recently added is still not recognized with the other floor plans, which is why it appears in black instead of blue like the other levels. To fix this, we need to follow the same method we used earlier so it becomes properly connected with the rest of the floors. That's enough for this phase. In the next video, we'll start working on the site plan and draw the initial boundaries. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.